everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This time I will prepare broccoli, garlic with oyster sauce. This was originated in China. Easy to make. This time I will show you all the ingredients. 1 kilo of broccoli, garlic, salt, of course oyster sauce, and oil. That's all the ingredients. You slice the broccoli in the big size, like this. You have to cut it in the big size. This. Did you know, with the broccoli you can use the branch of that, this part, the smooth one, you can take the skin and you can mix it. Just take the skin like this and you can mix it with the cookie. Don't throw it away. And this one, the old one, the hard one, I put this in my compost bin. Peel up the skin of the garlic. You can use four cloves of garlic, the big one, because we need a lot of garlic in this cooking. You can put more garlic if you want, if you wish for. That is up to you. Then crush the garlic. Crush it properly. Crush the garlic. Then you cook it for a while. You cook the vegetable for a while. Then you see they have hot water of the casserole. I put hot water of the casserole. Then you boil the water. I will put big salt. I will put big salt. Put big salt. Then oil. Just like when you're cooking spaghetti. Then we start to put the broccoli. Put the broccoli. Now it's boiling. Make sure that you don't boil it long time. Just keep it crunchy. Just keep crunchy the broccoli. And we put the container. Cold water. And destroy your chicken. And put some oil. Not too much. Put some oil. Then reheat the pan. Put some oil. Then we put the garlic, crushed garlic. Until the garlic is become brown. Continue mixing like this. Then put the broccoli. Make sure the broccoli is not cooked very well. Just half cooked. Then put oyster sauce. This is the final result. Crunchy broccoli with garlic and oyster sauce. Hope you like my video and see you soon with my next recipe. Bye bye.